Thanks for watching. My name's Clayton, and this is my 2015 Hyundai Genesis. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, G80_Dream.
With Superior Image. We're here today on the Tutorial Thursday. Today we're going to be talking about Interior DG. Interior DG is a enzyme, more of a soap-based interior cleaner, so it's extremely safe on anything and it cleans extremely well. What we've done today, if you can take a look down here, is we've done a tape line. We do have a little bit of grime on these seats, so we're just going to show a quick demonstration how to apply the product, agitate it a little bit, wipe away, we'll pull a tape line, we'll do a couple different areas in the vehicle, and it'll show you exactly what Interior DG can do. So that's this week's Tutorial Thursday about Interior DG. Vinyl, plastic, leather, headliner, Alcantara. Again, if we were going to be doing any controls, anything like that, we've already touched on some of that stuff. Nav screens, we're going to stay away from any cleaners. Although this technically would be safe enough for that, we just don't want to get a bunch of stuff on those. So some show shine, something like that, takes care of the touch screens and anything else like that. But again, perfectly safe. More of a soap-based product. You could see as we were spraying and agitate a little bit, it does foam up nicely to help lift that dirt off. It is an enzyme base. It's smell-free basically. There's really no strong odor involved with it, just kind of a nice, fresh, soapy kind of smell to it. We have these available online, superiorimage.pro, or on Amazon, Steel Image LLC, or Clean Green. Or you can come right down to our warehouse in Tempe at 945 South Hohokam Drive. We have them in 8s, 16s. Once you get into the gallon, that is your concentrate. This bottle is already diluted at 40:1. The 16 is already diluted at 40:1. You can get it in a gallon, 5, 30, whatever you guys need, we can take care of it. Thank you for watching this week's Tutorial Thursday with myself, Ted, at Superior Image Car Care. Huge shout out to Clay with the G80 Dream. Check out his Instagram tag. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, ring the bell so you know when the new videos are loaded, and smash that like button. We'll see you next week.